breeze. You can see the breeze behind me, guys. The breeze behind me. The hurricane is not yet here in Jamaica. It's not yet here, but we are already feeling the breeze. Already I get the breeze them, guys. Me not so brave to go out like how other people go out, guys. So me in my yard just to show you what's up in my yard. So we just get some breeze. Yeah, we're getting some breeze, guys. Breeze, breeze, breeze. I want you guys to just pray for Jamaica, guys. Pray that all of us stay safe, and I hope that everyone is taking this storm very serious. This is not a plaything, guys. Take the storm serious. You see that? Breeze already. See breeze already, you know? And they say Melissa now reach till till tomorrow, right? This is Sunday, October 26th, and they say Melissa now reach till either tonight or tomorrow. So imagine when she reach, I will start feel the breeze, right? So yeah, guys, if tomorrow I have lights and internet, I will be posting videos for you guys. So yeah, just write down below in that comment section, guys. Say Fanika TV, stay safe. And anybody who is in Jamaica, and if you're watching this video, please do not take the storm lightly, guys. Stay inside. Make sure you have no essentials. Put no birth certificate, no look important documents in a something where you know say if your house have come off, then now go wet up, right? So you keep them in a dry space. Make sure say your children them are right. Make sure say not outside when the hurricane itself come. Most people, even me know me hurricane no come, but me not go too far from my yard. If you say me I do no video, right, guys? So it's just it's just the peak. Right now we're just at the peak, nervousness of the hurricane and so forth. So yeah, I'm excited at the same time, but a little bit sad that the light is gonna go. But otherwise, guys, as long as I have light and as long as I have electricity, I will be posting for you guys. So yeah. Oh yeah, also guys, secure your animals. Please, guys, do not leave your animals to fend for themselves during the hurricane, guys. Please remember, these are like babies, guys. Please, I have right now all of my cats secure. Me know all of them dead, right? So make sure so you secure no animals them, please and thank you. Same like one did want them before when hurricane come on, to make sure so they're alright as well, right? Me don't want nobody I left the animal them to feed for themselves, right? So take care of them. Yeah, guys, so take care of them. Stay tuned, guys. Remember, if you're in Jamaica, secure yourself, protect yourself, right? I must say breeze like them way I get, guys. Most of breeze like this way I get so far from Miss Melissa, yeah. Boy. Anyway, guys, me go going back now because it gonna rain. Guys, me that stay a little longer. Me not no umbrella. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to get myself one umbrella. Yes, me could have just me don't walk go like and show on the river or something. But I don't know. umbrella, and if the rain come, phone I go wet up. So yeah guys, stay tuned, keep tapping up that screen, and guys remember to subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed, and also to watch my older videos. Bye.